Imagine you're sailing in the vast ocean of the internet. Your destination, the top of search engine results, your compass, keyword objectives, these are simply goals for your SEO strategy, aimed at guiding you to rank high in search results. Keyword objectives are the map and compass in your SEO journey, guiding you towards visibility and relevance. Navigating the SEO ocean isn't an easy task. That's where Authority Solutions comes in. This company is a beacon in the stormy sea of search engine optimization. They're experts at keyword research, sifting through the sand to find those golden terms. They're proficient in optimization, steering your content towards relevance. They're skilled at tracking, keeping a keen eye on your SEO journey. With Authority Solutions, they help businesses reach their SEO goals. You're not just sailing, you're cruising in the fast lane towards SEO success. So we've sailed across the basics of keyword objectives and how Authority Solutions can be your trusted SEO navigator. Remember, keyword objectives form the backbone of your SEO strategy, and Authority Solutions is here to guide you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more SEO insights. With Authority Solutions, let your business sail smoothly towards online visibility and success.